So 2016, C2 question 7. In the binomial expansion, the coefficients of x and x squared are equal and non-zero. So I'm going to use the expansion 1 plus x to the n. So 1 plus x to the n is 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared. So 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 over 2 factorial. Make sure you put in your x squared. The coefficients of x and x squared are equal. So the number in front of the x here is n over k. The number in front of your x squared is n minus 1 over 2k squared. Now those n's cancel, and that k will cancel with that k, leaving you 1 on this side, and leaving you n minus 1 over 2k on that side. And just rearrange that, 2k is n minus 1. So that's your first bit, forming an equation in n and k. The next bit is saying the coefficient of x4 is 4 times the coefficient of x5. So I've got to continue on my pattern up here. So n minus 1, n minus 2, 3 factorial x cubed, plus n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, over 4 factorial x to the 4, plus n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 over 5 factorial x to the 5. And you're told the coefficient of x to the 4, so writing that out. So that was part 1 and then part 2. So n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, all over 4 factorial k to the 4. You don't have to put the x to the 4 in because we're talking about the coefficient, which means everything in front of the x to the 4. It's the same as this coefficient times by 4. So it's 4, n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, all over 5 factorial k to the 5. Now lots cancel off here, that whole top line with this. 4 factorial is 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 factorial is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the 4, 3, 2, 1s cancel, leaving you just an ordinary 5 there. K4 and a k cancels just to give you a k there. So you're left with a 1 on this side. 4 times this. So it's 4n minus 16 over 5k. So bring that up. So 5k is 4n minus 16 as I wanted. So equation 1 and equation 2. And part 3 is just hence find n and k. So part 3, I'll take equation 1 and write it out. So 2k equals n minus 1. And I'll take equation 2 and write it out. 5k is 4n minus 16. If I take equation 1 and times it by 4, just simultaneous equations here. So it's 8k is 4n minus 4. This one doesn't need changed at all. Draw your line. Signs are the same, so you subtract. So it's 3k equals 12. So k equals 4. Substitute that into one of the other equations. I'll just substitute it into equation 1. So it becomes 2k, which is, 2 times 4 is 8, equals n minus 1. So n equals 9.